Good morning student. Today we will continue same chapter but part 2, Princess September part 2. Here Princess September knew that the bird went to his in-laws house and he did not return. Now she was worried. Why she was worried? Because the bird has not returned. What she is thinking? But she was worried that it was long time that the bird had not returned. She was thinking what happened to the bird. The bird might have forgotten her, or she thought that the large bird might have harmed him, or some hunter might have trapped him. So she is too much worried about the bird. He might be in someone else. He might have attracted to someone else. She wished that the bird should come to her again. Now she is thinking about the bird, because the bird, it went out and it did not return. So she is thinking all the things are all the thoughts are coming in her mind that what happened to the bird. Now suddenly she heard a sound of tweet tweet. Suddenly she heard that the bird, but she was in her own worry thinking about the bird, but the bird, it came and sat on her shoulder and it came down, and then what happened? The little bird came down and sat on her shoulder. He told September that there was, now September asked what happened, why he did not return. Then he told that there was party in his in-laws house and they wanted him to stay there only, because September will be worried, so he came back. Now listening to this, she thought that what will happen if they might have not allowed him to come. So now she is thinking that I will take what advice my sisters has given, that I have to do. What advice her sister gave? That she should she should keep the bird in her cage, in the cage. So now she is thinking to put the bird in the cage. Now September decided not to take any risks. She carried the bird and put him in the cage. What she did? She took the bird and kept in the cage, which was as advised by her sisters. When the bird asked, why did you put, then it is a joke the bird is asking. So the princess replied that no, because my mother's cats are moving, so they will catch you. Because of your safety, I have put you in the cage. So the bird is telling, okay, it's all right. Morning, afterwards you let me go out, you let me free. So the bird was happy. So it did not know the why Princess September had kept him in the cage. So it sang and ate food also night and it slept, but he could not sing freely. So the next morning, the bird asked September to let him free, but September did not, told that you are much better, you are safe, you are much better in the cage, no need to come out. But the bird, it started crying and it told no, that the song bird did not sing or eat anything, because it was cage, it was not free in the open air. So now the bird is very sad and he is not eating anything, not singing, nothing. So the bird wanted, what the bird wanted? Freedom. The bird wanted to fly in the sky. He wanted to have the feel of dewdrop. He said that he will never enjoy the nature through the bars of cage. Now the bird is telling, I want to go out, I want to see the nature, I want to go in the rice field, go in upon the, means to go in the open and sing, to be free. But Princess September is telling, no, I will take you to the field out. Then what he is telling? The bird is telling, no, that The next, the bird is saying, no, I don't want, I can't sing, I am not able to sing, means I want to be free, he is telling. So, the next morning when she woke up, she saw the bird was lying half dead. Now, Princess September, she put the bird, it was in the cage, and now the bird is, he cried so much, he told that I want to let me go out, make me free, but September did not listen to him, and because why she is worried, why she is not letting, she is thinking that it will not come back again and she will lose him. So, she is thinking that today or tomorrow the bird will means habitual in the cage and it will remain, and then it will start singing also, eating also. So, she thought let him be in the cage. But the next morning when she woke up and she wanted to wish good morning, that time the bird is not speaking, then she cried loudly, and then she went to see what happened, why the bird is not answering, why. And when she went there, she found that the bird was lying in the cage, means half dead. He was not dead, but he was not conscious, he was unconscious, lying, and he was not speaking. She cried out, and when she opened the cage and she brought him out, and when she saw that his heartbeat was running. So, she was at least, and then she started to cry, and then she let him free, and she told, go and fly in there. As soon as the bird was free, then it flew away in the open air. Now, but the bird was alive. Princess realized, September, it realized her mistake, that it is not easy to cage anyone, means we have to let everyone, it is our freedom to be free. So, not only human being, but animals and bird also, we have to make them free, we can't cage anyone. So, Princess September realized her mistake and she let him free. The bird promised, what the bird promised? That he will come back and sing for her the melodious song, and every day it will come, based what song he will sing, based on the places where he will go. Wherever he will go in the open air in the world, that place he will describe in the song for Princess September. Now, Princess September kept her window open. Every day she kept the window open, so that the bird may come in and go out, and it kept the promise also. The bird kept the promise, and it used to come every day and sing for September. And whenever he is interested, the bird can come. The bird kept his promise. He came back and sang for her. Years passed, September grew very beautiful. Now, years passed, the bird was coming and singing for her, roaming in the room, palace and everything. Now, Princess September, she grew very beautiful because she kept the window open, and all fresh air was coming, sunlight and fresh air was coming there. And because of that, she grew very beautiful. And she was happily married to the king of Cambodia. She was happily married. She was the youngest, last September, but she was married to the king of Cambodia, and she was taken as a procession on the white elephant to the king house. But her sister, what they never kept the window open. They shut the window and everything. They were in the palace, in the room. So, they grew ugly. No one came, no king came to for the proposal for marriage, and they were given away, the other 8 sisters, they were given away to the counselor, and with the tea and all, cat and all. So, each other, no king was ready to marry them. So, they were married to the counselor, and Princess September was happily married to the king of Cambodia. Now, what is the moral here, student? The moral is freedom, freedom of love. it shows the love between bird and Princess September, and freedom. We all want freedom. Okay, whether human being, bird, animal, we all want free. So that's all for today's topic. Will end here. Be safe, be happy. Thank you.